This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Vicky Bailey. Welcome home to this West Knoxville masterpiece. Boating 5,000 plus square feet, this completely remodeled home has some amazing features. Outstanding floor plans feature a separate office space with custom barn door for privacy and spacious dining room for entertaining. The chef's kitchen, with stainless steel appliances, hosts an extra large center island, butcher block countertops, stunning pendant lights, and a breakfast nook with windows overlooking the huge yard. Flowing from the kitchen is the living room and warm brick wood burning fireplace. Half bath with mesmerizing glass mosaics. Cozy up in the master bedroom with walk-in closet, and absolutely amazing ensuite bathroom, from wall tiles, to freestanding tub, and marble walk-in shower. Upstairs you will find 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a large bonus area. Each bedroom has beautiful high ceilings, bright windows, recessed and custom LED lighting, while the bonus room features speakers and surround system. Downstairs is a dream for many. With a huge living area, workout/bedroom, relaxation room, spacious bedroom, and beautifully travertine tiled bathroom, this space can be used to any effect. The amazing wonders of this cul-de-sac home continue outside, where you'll find a large screened porch on main, and an astonishing insulated sunroom downstairs, with a walkout to an open deck, featuring a hot tub. A leveled yard of this sort is a rare gem in this area. This huge home offers so many unique finishes. You'll find hardwood flooring on lower and main floors, open concept floor plans, technical features such as built-in Bluetooth speakers in many rooms, fiber optic star constellation ceiling lights, central vacuum, tankless water heater, and electrical vehicle level 2 charging ready. Great front and backyards in the desirable 37,922 area, which means it won't last long. Give us a call today to schedule your private showing, because you don't want to miss out. For more information, review the details below or contact Vicky Bailey at 865-584-4000.